Well, hello everyone. It's me, Handy Danny, and today I want to do a review or kind of like an unboxing on these curved jaw uh, locking pliers with a grip made by Milwaukee. I predominantly try to use Milwaukee. I have my wave tool by Leatherman and my little saw out here where I'm going to cut these open. So let me kind of come to the side. I had to kind of, as they say, jerry rig my camera up just to kind of do this review and have my hands free. So hopefully I don't cut myself. And let me get this one over here opened up. Ooh, thumbs up. I absolutely hate this type of packaging, you know. But one thing I do, a lot of people are always, talking trash like, man, Milwaukee stuff is expensive, but that lifetime, limited lifetime warranty, honestly, when it comes to Milwaukee tools, I can go to any Home Depot where I got these from and exchange them out, no questions asked. As soon as they see Milwaukee, they will actually, give me a refund. But I like the way they feel. They grab really good. I do a various amount of different things. I predominantly do showers and stuff like that, glass showers. So if you need a shower, and you happen to be in my area, I'd be happy to assist you. But I really like these. These are really nice. And for 20 bucks, honestly, to get two pair of vice grips where I feel like it's a steal. These are more heavy duty, bigger ones. And what I really like about this little mechanism right here is you can put like a screwdriver in there. Let me kind of demonstrate with my wave tool here, which I always have on me. And let me pick this out right here. It's my little flathead that I use quite a bit right here on my Leatherman wave tool. And I'm able to, grab these here. Let me adjust it there. Okay. Once I actually get it locked down on something, I can actually take a tool and stick it in here, and I can kind of turn this to where I can get more of a bite, whatever the case may be. So I really like that, part of it right there. That was right there was kind of the selling point for me. But I don't have anything to demonstrate. Maybe one day I'm out in the field, I can actually do a demonstration of, how these are really helpful to me and everything. But Milwaukee makes really good tools. And if you're ever in a position to where, you have some tools, you're a tool maker, and if you want to send me some tools to review, I'll be happy to. So, I'm going to start, I keep telling myself, I'm going to start reviewing more of my tools, but I'm always buying some type of tool, at least once a week or so. I'm buying a tool. So these are really good. I really like them. Vice grips, locking pliers. They got a lot of torque to them. So, let me know if you have these or if you're interested in getting them, and make sure that you subscribe for more videos. All right. Thanks and have a good one.